Shalom and welcome to Musaf Torah. This year is entitled Israel's Infant Mortality Rate. Halavai, we don't have any deaths during birth, but unfortunately, it's not the case anywhere in the world, but you want to lower it as much as possible and eventually get to zero. The country's infant mortality rate remains among the lowest in the OECD, standing at 2.7 deaths per 100,000 live births. This achievement is because of focused investment in increasing public awareness and promoting access to genetic testing, noting that the rate has been steadily declining for over a decade. Baruch Hashem. Previous year we mentioned the end of life, one of the longest, the greatest rates in terms of longevity and in terms of live births, one of the greatest rates as well. L'chaim, l'chaim. We should go mechayel, l'chayel.